Hey guys, I'm back and you're super close to my face for a reason. Today we're going to be doing a product spotlight on the Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette. This is gorgeous to look at. Gorgeous on my eyes. You know, it's kind of pretty. I'll shake my glass off so you can see. Gorgeous on my eyes as well. And it's very pretty. Natasha Denona is known for luxury high-end eyeshadows, and this is just a cute little way to sample her product for like 25 bucks. I got this at Sephora, and I have some thoughts on it. I've worn it quite a few times. I've worn every shade in the palette, and I have worn it through like 13-hour days, work, sweating, outside in the heat, grilling on Labor Day. So like all kind of conditions I've put this eyeshadow palette through. So let's talk about some pros and cons. Natasha Denona is very high. Let's talk about pros. Natasha Denona is very high end, so this is a great way to sample her products for pretty cheap, and they're beautifully done in such a cute little color story. The pigmentation in the formula is very good, so let's do some swatches really quick. You got the first color. These are all like finger swatches. Unprimed Skin. Second shade. The third shade. Let's do the fourth one. The fourth shade. And then this last shade in the corner. Did I get on top of the other one? Kind of slightly. Let me just move this up a little bit. There we go. Not the best swatches ever, but there's swatches. You can kind of see the palette. You see what colors you're working with. I'll re-swatch and put them on my Instagram later, okay? Danielle all day, follow me over there. But you just kind of see that they go on pretty well with the first swatch. They also build up pretty well. That's a pro. The only color I felt like didn't build up as well was Linen. I guess this is Linen. Let's see, Poison Berry, Blue Dahlia, Raisin, Linen. Linen, which is the gold. It looks like it's going to be super pigmented from the look of it, like it's all shiny reflective, but it doesn't do that on the eye. It's crumbly and it kind of flakes off on the eye, so just remember that. But it is pretty. Swatches really well, and it's very pretty on the hand, but with the brush it's kind of crumbly, so you may want to use your finger if you want to just put that all over the lid. It works best with that. I found that the Blue Dahlia, however, built up great with a brush. Like, look at this on my eye. Pretty good. And I didn't need to use a glitter glue for either one of those sparkly shades. I do like the mattes. They are very smooth, and this is a really cute little palette, and I really like it. If the Lila palette is anything like this, I would want the Lila palette, to be honest, because this is great quality. I like this little mini palette. It gives you so much room to check out her things. So let's talk about the cons. The cons is they're tiny. It's tiny. It's like the teeniest tiny, so tiny. It's like not even an inch square, but they have a good bit of products in them. I think they have, let's see if it says. It does not say what the product size is on here, but it's good for 24 months, and in 2 years you could definitely hit pan on this if you were using it all the time, every day. Let's just be real. With all the eyeshadows I have, I don't need anything bigger than this, to be honest. You watch my haul coming up, you'll know I don't need any more eyeshadows. Let's just be real. Another con is that the mattes have a good bit of fallout. So when you put your brush in, it doesn't kick up a lot of like dust, but like when you're blending on your eye, just make sure you do your eyes first, because if you don't, then you're going to have fallout all over underneath and on your eyes, underneath your eyes and on your concealer. So I like to do my eyes first with this palette and then clean it up and then go back in and do my concealer and face products, because this does have a lot of fallout from when you're blending it. But it does blend smoothly. It just gets all over the place, if you know what I mean, when you're blending. And I don't pick up a lot and I tap off my brush, but it is highly pigmented. So that may be a good thing for some and a bad thing for others. I love it because I like the looks I can create with it. Like I said, I think it was a good investment. You can see mine is pretty beat up. I have been using the heck out of it the last week and the last couple weeks actually. So I've really put some love into trying to spell it out for you guys. Would I recommend it? Yes. Do I think it's a must-have? No. If you already have these shades, you don't need this. But if you do want to try her formula for a decent price, I would say grab it. It is a great little look. You're going to get kind of a similar look every time. You know, you can change up how you want it through the crease with the colors, or you can just stick with these two and then pull in something else and get a deeper matte and then get like a more natural look with these. Or if you're a paler person, you can just probably get a whole look. This could be a transition color for you, whereas this is a brow bone color for me, or an all over the lid setting color. This is Flint that I'm talking about. So just that's all I got to say about that. Quick, sweet as always on product spotlights. I hope you guys will stick around for more product spotlights and that you will keep us in mind. I will of course leave some ladies in my description box for the shout out for this week. Hope you guys will check them out. I think it's going to be Gadget Lily here on YouTube, whose name is Lily, and she loves Shiseido. She does product reviews. She shows you her garden. She shows you her kittens. So go check her out. And she started to do some vlogs, guys, and they're pretty good. She went to a very interesting trip not too long ago, so you guys should definitely check out that vlog. As well as Divine Diva K, who is amazing. Her name is Karen. She's smart, she's funny, she's witty, she has gorgeous naturally gray fro. Oh my god, her hair. I want it. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. But she's also gorgeous. She talks about perfumes and wax melts and beauty and eyeshadow palettes and showing you how to love your products. And she also does reviews on hair care products and tells you how to find the best sellers at Ulta. So go on over and check out Divine Diva K, guys, on YouTube as well. I'll leave them in my iCards, and I will also leave them in my description box. So make sure you check out those lovely ladies. And I thank you for sticking around and for subscribing to my channel. Please leave me a comment below if you've tried this palette. What do you think of it? If you haven't tried it, are you interested in it? Have you tried other Natasha Denona palettes that you really love, or Natasha Denona products that you really love? Because I find that she's a brand that interests me and that she's been catching my eye lately. So let me know if there's anything I should try. See you guys later. Bye.